Hi, Labby. Do you smell something yummy in the air?
Woof, woof. I do, Kitty. It smells warm, cheesy, and delicious.
It smells like pizza.
Pizza? Yay! I love pizza.
Me too. Labby, do you know what day it is today?
Is it dance day or singing day?
Today is International Pizza Day.
Wow! Pizza has its own day?
Yes, people all over the world celebrate Pizza Day.
Let's celebrate too. Let's make our own pizza.
First, we need dough.
Dough is soft and squishy.
Let's roll it round and round.
Like a big circle, just like the sun.
Now we add red sauce.
Splash, spread, swish.
Next comes cheese.
Lots and lots of cheese.
Cheese goes melt, melt, melt.
Now toppings. What should we add?
Tomatoes,
Mushrooms.
olives.
Yummy veggies make us strong.
Let's sing while our pizza bakes.
Yeah, pizza song time.
Let's go! Kitty rolls the dough so round. Labby spreads the sauce all around. Cheese goes sprinkle, sprinkle high. Pizza fun for you and I. Pizza, pizza, hooray today. Kitty and Labby shout yay, yay, yay. Bake it hot and make it right. Pizza time is pure delight. Let's go! Let's go! Veggies on top, color so bright. Red and green look, oh so nice. Sharing food with friends is fun. Pizza joy for everyone. Pizza, pizza, hooray today. Kitty and Labby shout yay, yay, yay. Bake it hot and make it right. Pizza time is pure delight. Let's go! Yay!
Now we wait.
Waiting is hard.
Let's dance while we wait.
Pizza dance, wiggle wiggle.
Spin around.
Jump up high.
Ding, ding, the pizza is done.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Let's count the slices.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sharing is caring.
Best friends share pizza.
Pizza comes from a country called Italy,
Italy is far away.
but pizza brings everyone together.
Food can make people happy.
Happy International Pizza Day, Labby.
Happy Pizza Day, Kitty.
I love cooking with you
I love eating with you
and singing
and dancing.
and being best friends.
Let's celebrate every day with love and fun.
Bye-bye, friends!
Make yummy food, share with love, and smile every day.
Kitty and Labby, fun all day.